I'm gonna go wash my hands and put the batteries in these. And then we'll do
Yeah,
that.
batteries. I like looked all goddamn everywhere for them.
Yeah, right here.
Where?
What's Madison used them all on her fucking vibrator? What's Madison used them all on her fucking vibrator?
What's Madison used them all on her fucking vibrator?
Well, there they are.
That is a front wheel and brake assembly.
That is.
God. Should we pay somebody to come out here?
Yeah,
and help
probably.
us?
I need a hammer though. No, not really. I don't need a fucking hammer. Why are you even looking for one?
Shut the fuck up.
You know how long it's been since I mechanicked on something?
No.
Ever.
Yeah, because he usually pays people to work on his shit.
Right.
Like Vanessa.
2 select times.
Oh.
Fuck's sakes. Who in the fuck?
Well, obviously they didn't take them off.
Oh. Well, they did.
Those
Pipe the fuck out of them.
Like, those brake pads are fun. They're trying to skimp out on front brake pads. I can't wait for you guys to see how fucking gone they are. Like, no, I don't need them.
And she tried to tell me that back tire was good too.
Yeah, fuck them. That was retarded. Look how fucking rounded off it is. And no, you know, you might as well flip it around if anything.
20 pounds of air in it.
Yeah.
Paid them $4 grand for a fucking used 250, and they wouldn't even throw in a back tire and fucking front brake pads until I had to force them to put the front brake pads in. Okay. There they are.
That's it. Let's see them. Yeah, they're good.
I could literally
Shoot.
wear it.
You can see the fucking rotor running into it already. God, they're retarded.
Are you supposed to fucking open the bleeder or something?
No.
I don't think so.
Unless they like ran them all the way down and then added fluid into the thing because it was so far gone, which is fucking stupid.
I bet you.
There's an air bubble up here, and it's like completely filled up all the way to the top.
I could probably try it. It'd be cool if I had the right size fucking wrench for this, but I don't. So we just redneck it.
Oh shit, I was like, fuck, where'd the camera go?
This is the problem with Alex having a YouTube channel and trying to make it big. He points it away from the action, which is nowhere.
Maybe I ought to let Craig just run the channel from now on. He'll have nothing but action.
All kinds of action.
I get action on Saturdays.
What do you do Saturday?
Good pussy.
Shit.
Oh, I don't know if it's cool or not, but I entirely had planned on just staying here tonight anyway. God damn it. It was pointed right there in the fucking first place. And it would have got it. Left all of his beer out. Oh,
Or somebody
Lincoln.
hold him for the love of God.
Lincoln! Okay. Hey.
Hey Lincoln, why are you being such a bitch?
Oh. God.
Did not get no lube on my axle nut or bolt.
You have Vaseline in the kitchen, in the shower.
Bolt.